This is a Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Thursday, December 12th. I'm Gabby Kiefer. December has been a busy month for the Commodore's basketball team. On Tuesday, the Commodores rallied from a 9-point deficit to defeat Lake Taylor 59-54. The girls weren't so fortunate, falling to the powerful Titans. Yesterday, the boys and girls swimming teams kicked off their season with impressive victories over Wilson. Both teams should make some waves this year come the playoff time. Last night, the boys basketball team defeated Salem 44-39 behind Nazir Parker's 16 points. Now here's Savion in the control room with what's coming up on the athletic schedule.
Thanks, Gabby. Today, the Scholastic Bowl team travels to Churchland to take on the Truckers. The match begins at 4:30. Tomorrow night is Basketball Friday as both boys and girls teams are in action against Wilson. The JV teams pair at Maury. The girl games begin at 3, followed by boys at 5 p.m. Meanwhile, the varsity teams play at Wilson. The girls game begin at 5:30, followed by the boys at 7. Finally, the football team battles Stonebridge for the Class 5 state championship on Saturday. Kickoff is at noon at Hampton University. Tickets are online. Visit the Maury homepage for the link. It's a busy weekend. Be sure to support your Commodore teams. Back to you, Gabby.
Thanks, Savion. Now here's what's happening at NHS. You can get a ride to the game on a bus for free, but you must buy a ticket to the game. A link to the GoFan website is on the Maury homepage. See Ms. Krashatsky in room 302 before and after school or during lunches by the end of Friday to let her know you want to go. That's all for this broadcast of Commodore News. I'm Gabby Kiefer. Have a great weekend and go see the Commodores win the state championship.
This has been a Commodore News Update.